It's Tuesday, guys. July 29th. We have a couple more days of the month. Let's end it strong here. Jumping into the earnings. We have Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, and Apple this week. So we pretty much, those are the stocks we gotta kind of avoid until after earnings. As far as the calendar goes here, we had trade goods news at 8:30. We had some news at 9, and now we have consumer confidence and JOLTS both at 10 a.m. So 30 minutes in, that's going to be the main, news time that we have to worry about. Jumping into the market here, NQ still making highs here day after day. We're in this wedge here on the 1 hour. The top side's not as valid as the bottom, but we are riding this trend. I'm looking to see if we hold above 23.5, like 23,500 really. Hopefully we stay above here. We can keep pushing up to the upside here, but I kind of don't see this lasting forever. I kind of see us, getting into a consolidation or some type of pullback eventually. But I'm gonna be watching this wedge here on the 1 hour on NQ. NQ doesn't look stronger than SPY here. SPY struggled to get above 639. I'm going to be watching to see if we can get above that, or if we drop back below 636 for SPY. Let's see. Okay, going down the list. Apple has earnings, still in this consolidation. We'll probably see earnings take us out of that. AMD filled that whole area we were looking at yesterday, no problem. AMD was crazy. We could look for a continuation on here, but I personally like when AMD sets up more, like yesterday's play. But we'll just have to see. AMD will be more of a side watch for me today. Amazon has earnings. We'll be staying away from that. Coinbase is nowhere close to anything. Google has a downside setup here at 191. We could look at this if this shows clear weakness and we don't really get any other setups here. But 191 is been tested around 3 times here. I would look at that, and then I would scalp that down to 190.80, and then 190 break would be the final target. But we do have this trend here that gives us room down to like 190.50. So holding past 190.50 would be, you'd be risking it for sure. But, for me, 190 would definitely be the target. Meta has earnings. I don't have anything here anyways. Hopefully earnings gets us into some type of new area. Nvidia here, a lot of news behind Nvidia. This is worth more than Tesla. Hang on, let me see the post that Nor posted. Yeah, so Nvidia's market cap's worth more than Amazon, Tesla, and Netflix combined. Nvidia is just, showing a lot of strength here. So this continues. I will be looking at that high around 179.60, maybe even 179.50. And then target for that is above 180. After 180, target will be, 181. I probably wouldn't look for anything more than that, especially because we're at all-time highs here. So really the plan behind this is looking at that high, taking it before the high, and selling on the 180 break. On the list, shop, I don't like anything. SMCI went crazy the last couple of days, but pulled back. Tesla pulled back as well here, but if Tesla shows any type of strength here today, that 330 level is definitely on watch. I can see us having continuation at 330, and then first target will be 330.50, and then 331, and then I have room at the 332.50. for Tesla. We are a little far away there on Tesla, about $5 away. So Nvidia will probably be my main watch here today. And yeah, those are my top three. It's really just going to be Tesla, Nvidia, and Google. AMD will be a side watch if that comes around. Other side watch would be maybe Tesla to the downside if it shows extreme weakness, but I don't really have anything there quite yet. So we'll just have to see what Tesla ends up doing. But as far as off the open, Nvidia is going to be the main watch, guys. Do I like BA? Oh man. Oh, so it just had earnings. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, so this was a gap I had. So we just filled that gap to 243. I don't know. I don't really think I'm too much of a fan of taking a post earnings BA play. I see what you're looking at. You could definitely scalp 243. Probably wouldn't be the worst thing. That'll probably be a side watch, but those kind of plays are definitely more risky. And I don't know. That's like an old school Frankie play right there at 243. But I'm gonna keep that as a side watch just to be safe. Frankie, I don't know if you can hear, but I want your thoughts on that one. Baba looks like it is setting up. I don't know if it's ready here at 124, but yeah, I didn't think he would be. I'm good on Baba as well, though. I see what you're looking at. 124 does look like it's set up. Circle, I'm not a fan of at all. So yeah, guys, same watch list. And we'll be back here in about 15, 18 minutes. Yeah. Yo. It's good.
Yo.
Frankie.
Que lo que?
Miho.
What's going on, Frankie, George, Kevin?
Well,
Not
not Melly.
much.
What's your top two today?
Probably Nvidia and Tesla.
Tesla's 330 for you.
Yo.
There's no say something, Benji.
Yo.
Is there an echo?
For you?
What do you mean echo?
I'm asking. Do y'all hear an echo?
No, you're good.
No, you're good, bro.
Bet. Five. Raz. I seen that it dropped, but I think I'm gonna be good on that.
How are you guys looking to do Nvidia? Just at the high or wait for 180?
No,
I'm waiting for 180.
Yeah,
like,
I'm waiting
pretty
for
much.
85 cents.
Yeah, I'm pretty
85.
much same. Like I'm waiting for 90 cents. So pretty much the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's closer to that fucking wall, bro. Nvidia be bullshitting sometimes.
Wait, say it again?
As closest to 180 as possible for me. So like with Frankie.
You're not trying to be in the bullshit. Okay, I got you.
I'm surprised you don't like BA there, Frank.
Fuck BA. I'm gonna say it
I'm
now.
with you.
No, yeah, like 2 years ago though,
That's-
Frankie, that would have been your play. Not gonna lie.
That stock hasn't given me a good play in like the past year. It's just red trades on it.
Yeah, I feel that.
I used to have respect for that stock.
Well, we got time here at the open, for sure. Nothing's closed, right?
I do like that Baba level you guys were looking at. Not gonna lie, that doesn't look bad at all. No, I don't think I am feeling AMD today, I'm not gonna lie.
Yo, fill me in, Frankie.
Yo, what? Yo, bro, come on.
Come on, it's too early, bro. What's going on?
Just Nvidia and Tesla. That's all there. I mean, it's same from yesterday. It's two stocks.
All right. Things just pulled back.
Yeah. Tesla's pretty far, so I'm not expecting that one at the open. I looked at it, Dinero. I'm good off of it.
Wow, BA is 240.
BA went crazy on earnings.
I got the right mic connected, right?
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
And Tesla's high from yesterday was what, 330 and some change, right? That was a scalp we took.
I feel like 50 cents.
Yeah.
330, 32.
All right.
Oh no, sorry, 49.
George,
George, are you using the real or your actual mic?
Thought I was. What's wrong with it?
You sound
Yeah,
super
you sound
quiet.
far.
Yeah.
Sounded fine before.
Bro, Nvidia would do that overnight, George.
All right, what about now?
Hey, there you go.
That's a good one.
Yeah, I'm looking at. Well, I don't know yet. You gotta. We just gotta wait. Bro.
Yo, I looked at BA. I forgot that shit doesn't open right away. It's so weird.
The only weird side watch I have today, chat, is Baba. I'm keeping an eye out for this at 124. So
Guys, I'm looking at 180 calls on Nvidia. It's not close, but it's the closest we have. So just having it ready.
We do have news at 10. That's all we gotta worry about today. It's consumer confidence and jolts.
BA came back.
Already? Oh.
Yeah.
shit.
Red to green into a almost $3 push.
You said no, right?
No, I'm not trading it. I have it on the side watch just so I want to see how it reacts.
Wait, what was the only side watch you had? I mean, funny stock you had on the side?
Baba.
Oh, okay. Got it.
AMD just made a new high.
Really?
Yeah. 177.
Tesla died.
Yo,
Yeah,
look at that BA candle, Frankie. It is.
Yeah, yeah, I would have been smoked if I even thought about liking BA today.
What? It made a high? Oh, shit.
Nah, yeah, moving disgusting right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, Antonio, I pulled it up to see how bad it was. It's pretty bad.
Y'all wouldn't be interested in AMD at 177 at all, right? Or get off that?
Wait, what?
Damn.
Oh.
AVGO went for it, bro. Was not expecting that.
And no.
Oh, because that was $3 away. I was not expecting AVGO to actually do that at the open. Holy.
Frankie, BA's at 237.
Well, Millie, it was $3 away from pre-market. I didn't expect AVGO to actually do something like that. That's why I didn't even bother to look at it.
Nah, AMD is wow.
Yeah. Yo, Frankie, look at BA. Holy shit.
Good. I hope I see it at 0.
$10 drop. $10 drop.
AMD already at 177.50 now.
Yeah, that thing's strong. It's kind of crazy. AMD and Nvidia are like almost the same price.
Completely different market caps.
Yeah, completely different market caps.
AMD went crazy.
All right, Nvidia's coming up, guys. Like I said, I'm looking at the 180 calls. I think that's what we're gonna agree on, right? Or are we changing that?
That's what I have.
Right.
The other ones are kind of too cheap.
You said what?
The other ones are too cheap, I feel like.
Too cheap. Like I mean, like not
Like the other-
177.50s, right? We're not doing that.
Oh no, those are no, it's Tuesday.
doing a giveaway today, guys. So stay on the mic. The giveaway is spending a week with me trading in person. So if you are interested, just stay a little bit longer. I'd probably announce it in like the next 10 minutes or just right after the next trade.
Sorry, he's going crazy.
AMD's at 178.50 now. That's $1 in literally 1 minute, Frankie. One candle made it $1 push right there. Saw that shit?
I sold right before that break.
You took it, George?
Yeah, I took it at 177.
Nice.
But it just I sold quick because the Nvidia was coming. It's coming
And
again.
Nvidia's coming back right now.
Where do we plan to take this? I'm thinking at like 179, but the problem is you got this fucking QQQ ripping here.
I am strictly waiting for my original entry on the video.
Which is?
Not to like 180, pretty much, like 10 cents before.
Okay.
I already hate Nvidia as a stock as it is, so it's like I'm gonna just wait and be patient.
I'm probably gonna play 179, guys. Let me just see if the market pulls back here. What does Nvidia do? I'm in. We broke 179, which is cool. Getting some momentum. Oh, the QQ's. Oh wow, Nvidia's paying.
I sold a quarter
I'll
there,
take the scalp
Nor.
Nice. I mean, I don't trust Nvidia after yesterday.
That's why there's a 1 minute trend here, so that's why I sold a quarter already.
If I have to retry this, I'm only gonna wait for Frankie's entry, which is like 179.80 really, or 179.70, somewhere around there.
It's ripping.
Being that I don't trust Nvidia that much, I'm probably gonna sell another quarter above that 20 cents, and then maybe add at Frankie's entry if I like
Got
the
it.
move.
Alright, that's a pretty big move. Market's still pushing. The AMD chill, yeah, I think. Alright, AMD chilled a little bit. Still green on this trade, by the way, guys. Just waiting. George, where are you gonna cut your stop?
Below 80 cents.
Got it. Market's pulling back hard here. Nvidia's doing okay. Where's AMD? Still struggling there. All right, cool. The thing is, Nvidia could do all this and then just never do the move. So I'm on my toes after yesterday again. All right, pull back on Nvidia. I'm still break even / green here.
My stop loss is if these contracts hit $1.80. That's gonna be my stop.
It's a nice red to green. Now we need this to push into 179.20 120 from here. Yeah, got it. Let's see. Chip day, it looks like. Contracts get to what are you stopping out at?
$1.80.
Oh,
That'd be like 8% loss for me.
got it. Did you get in with me?
Yeah. I'm up
Still,
like 5% right here. Yeah.
Market's still pulling back here. You just do, let's see. Okay. It's not moving with the market.
I'd love to see a candle close above 179 here.
Yeah, it's
But
struggling.
it's struggling. But market is pulling back.
Yeah, market's pulling back really hard too, so it's not a light pullback. Kind of feels like end of day Nvidia here, but find out shortly. I'll probably stop out with you, Benji.
Yeah, I think it'd be around like 178.60, 178.50 would probably be the area. I mean, these contracts are holding up, so.
Yeah, you're doing well. If Nvidia's gonna break out, this is gonna be fast. Soon as it gets above 179 and holds, if it's gonna break out, this shouldn't really stop to like 179.40 ish. So
Market's pulling back heavy now.
yeah, here comes Nvidia trying to get above 179 again. It's actually performing better right at this exact moment than AMD.
Look at the market, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Commentating, you gotta like keep it mute so I can focus. No, you're good. Just can't focus. Yep. Let's go, Nvidia. Where are we on these contracts? $1.88. George, Frankie, I mean Benji.
Getting close. We need that close over 179.
Yeah, that's all I want. Market's just pulling back. I want to see how much I'm down. Down
I'm about to
9%.
get out. Yeah. If I see like below 180 on the ask, I'll cut it there.
All right.
Millie, I was watching it. I'm actually glad I'm not trading it right now. Like, I see that it's weak, but I don't know. These are kind of just reused levels on Tesla.
What is it? Oh,
It's been weak all morning since open. Yeah, it looks nice, Millie. It's just I don't know. Something about like the way Tesla's moving right now, I'm just not a fan of. Like these moves aren't volatile; they're like all slow.
contract's still okay on Nvidia. George, you let go of it yet?
Yeah, my stop. I had sold a quarter up at the top,
Yeah.
and then that allowed me to be pretty much break even. I made $70 on that. I did stop below 80 cents. I had mentioned it on my.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna retry just because I'm with Frankie. That's the real level I wanted to be in at. Was at the 85 cent mark. So any hesitation like right there, I was tight stop.
I have a level of support right here.
50 cent.
Yep, exactly at 50 cents. And yesterday it was holding that entire time at market open.
Contracts
Oh,
on this
yesterday it
video
went.
were more.
What's your target for this, Nor? What are you looking for the 180 or are you looking for like this the high break here at
So my
179.60?
my first target on this is around that 179.40 level.
Okay.
That's where I'll look to maybe scale out a little bit for the first target. And then the high, I believe, is 62. So I kind of want to just see what happens at that 60-cent level. Back to green on Nvidia. So oh, there it goes.
Perfect bounce.
Yeah. I still love the way that this is an A+ setup for me right now. So there is a trend on the 1 minute we should be worried about. It's at the 27-cent level, but market's pulling back, so that's more of a risk to me than that trend. That trend is for pre-market, so I really just care about market not pulling back too hard. Maki, but if you see anything on QQQ or SPY, I'll just get out. I can get back in with Frankie.
I'm watching this Millie, but I'm not trading it because that's a crazy candle right there on Tesla. That like if I had Tesla ready, I probably would have taken it on that candle because that's a volatile candle right there. Compared to the other candles it's had, that's a pretty good candle.
Wow.
That for sure would have been a good scalp.
QQQ. Maki, speak over us if you need to.
I got
Do what you need to.
it's not done yet, so I can't even trade. But QQQ pre-market low, that's the big level, 570.28.
I think it's just good to stay away from it as of right now, in general, Millie.
About to let go of Nvidia and just get back in later.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, look at this.
Any lower here, I'm out myself.
Shit, look at the market. Holy.
Yeah, looking at my watch list, there's really not much that I have cooked today, chat. The most I got to cooking was Baba, and that, I mean, that could happen I've seen some random midday candles on Baba. There's always a possibility for that one to happen. AMD actually had a failed bull flag for once now, so it actually pulled back. On plays like that with an aggressive candle, do you plan to sell on the break or do you hold a little bit longer because of the weakness in that candle? I usually sell on the break, Brev. Like probably like 20 cents past the break. Not as soon as we break 320, but like maybe 20 to 30 cents past the break on a stock like Tesla.
Maki, you took a trade?
Oh, no.
No, I didn't. But
You
that
skipped it?
it broke. I skipped it, yeah, because it's before 10.
Market's getting quiet.
Do I like yesterday's low on Tesla? Probably not. Like I said, I'm just not really interested in any of these levels on Tesla because this is back into that range we've been stuck in for such a long time. That's why we liked Tesla the past few days because just post earnings and the momentum behind it. And you're kind of getting back into areas where it hasn't been at before within the range. But now that we're kind of pulling back, we're kind of dipping back into that same range that we were wanting to get out of. Maybe if it consolidates somewhere, maybe I would look at it for like an intraday scalp or something. But as of right now, I'm not interested on anything on it, especially because of the way it's moving. I hate when Tesla's like ticking slowly. I hate when most stocks move slowly or tick slowly. It's not my style.
Stuff out there.
That's why usually morning openings are like my like golden hour because I know how to read stocks pretty well within that. Is this 400 level valid on MSTR? Personally, to me, no. It's just been in that area for a while now, so to me, it's pretty trash.
Yo, if I end up taking a loss on this Nvidia trade, this will be the second day in a row that I take a loss on the same stock. I don't remember the last time that's ever
My
happened.
stop didn't hit there. It was close.
That's wild to me.
Now, Gino, that's not me to say that you can't look at the trade, right? You have all rights to actually like look and see how it breaks out or breaks down. In this instance, on its own, right? So you get screen time yourself and see how it reacts. And maybe I could be wrong, right? So I just personally think that that level's a little too reused on MSTR.
Yo, I put a hard stop, Benji.
I thought-
Before the new low. So like I put it at 44 cents. That's my hard stop, 178.44.
I like that.
I'm not dealing with that today. If I'm wrong on a video today, I'll lose 10K. And that's what I'm keeping my max losses lately. 10K. Because I can make 20 plus in a day. So like yesterday, I ended up making 20 yesterday.
Man, AMD actually looks really good here, but I'm
I was
not gonna
just about to
trade
say
it.
that.
Yeah, like this
Oh,
retest
yeah.
of 179 actually looks
Yeah.
banger.
Yeah,
I was literally about to
consolidation.
ask.
You still in?
He said, "Hell yeah."
Yeah. It's white
I'll be
chocolate.
interested on AMD if we get back to 180. I'm a little late to the party here at 179 because I was just watching it.
It broke? Oh.
No, it's hovering it right now. If we get another rejection to come back, then maybe I'll actually look at this closer. But my next level on AMD is until 180 that I'm interested on.
Back to break even on Nvidia.
Yeah, these AMD contracts, I'm surprised they're this expensive.
How much are they?
The 180s are 360. So
AMD is moving like old Nvidia. Nvidia is moving like old AMD.
yeah, that would have been a nice break right there at 179. No, I was looking at the contracts. I never would have went red on that trade. That's a good retest at 179.
Market's pulling back. Nvidia's holding up again.
AMD was
My alert for
we-
180. Would I play it if we go straight up? That's what I'm trying to consider right now. I don't think I would. My alert would be at 80 cents, but just because we get up there on the first test does not mean I'm trading it. I think I'm gonna wait for a pullback and then look to re-enter on AMD.
It's dead. use that charger. I took it out.
This is perfect right now.
What? Oh, that's USB. That's just the regular one.
Oh, we do have news in 4 minutes, huh? I may have to skip AMD.
What the fuck is the news, bro?
That's what I'm about to.
Consumer confidence.
Confidence and
Oh.
jolts.
Okay.
Lucky, what we doing, bro?
I'm waiting.
I'm still in a trade. Trying to get out though. Just tell me to get out.
How much would how much would your contracts be at stop loss?
I'm only gonna lose like 10K, so like $1.75 max, I think.
All right, so I would say set a stop order
It'd
at
be
10K
180s, bruv.
on the contracts.
Yeah, guys, if we come up on AMD right here and test 80 cents, I'll probably just look to take a quick scalp there. Just something light.
Yo, the market's moving crazy. What's Nvidia doing?
Yeah. Can we check Newsbot if we got anything? Your boy is
I can't. I'm about to get in on AMD. Yeah, guys, I took an entry right there. We didn't touch 80 cents yet, but the way it's moving, I like how it's. I just like how it's moving right now. I'm probably gonna look to sell as soon as we break 180. So just something small that I saw. So
let's get a move in the video. I'm tired of this shit. It's just it does this consolidation shit and then breaks. I caught it at the end of the day.
my contracts, guys, would probably be if these contracts hit 340.
What's your average on this, Snore? Mine's 2. Yeah.
My setup is ready, but there's news.
There is a pretty well, that's not a big wall for AMD
Yeah,
actually.
let me go for Nvidia.
There goes Nvidia.
We're about to get AMD as well.
I hope your play is to the upside, Maki. Don't be a trader. Nah, I'm fucking with you.
Yeah, chat. I think I'm still gonna stick to what I said, which is sell on the 180 break as soon as we pop. I don't think I'm gonna give it a few seconds or anything. I mean, we'll see how it breaks out. If the bid happens to hold above, then maybe I'll look to hold a little longer. I'll let
AMD
you guys.
reject.
I'll let you guys know.
Well, I'm up
200.
nice.
Oh, go ahead.
No, I'm up 10% on Nvidia, so I still haven't hit my target.
But yeah, the wall's around like maybe 200,000, I think, if I'm reading it correctly with all the other small numbers. But that's like an average candle in AMD right now. So
News in 20 seconds.
News in 20 seconds, bro. Even worse news. That
all right, chat. I'm still holding. Gonna give this a second here. If I see the ass pull back below 180, I'll look to sell everything there. My target is gonna be 30 cents on this.
Holy shit, Frankie. Your shit is smooth.
There we go.
Dude.
I sold. Bingo.
Shit.
Small little scalp there.
All right, news.
Before the news too, so I'm
Sick
happy
play.
with that.
I made just under 1,000 there, Frank. Good shit.
Yeah, I made 1,700 on that, so that's a pretty decent scalp.
Yeah, I'm hiring my stop, bro, on Benji. It was 44. I'm gonna hire it to 64.
I actually sold right before the news came out. That's funny.
Supper, bro. Can't have that.
All right, chat. Here we go. That's a nice little 10% scalp right there.
You're an AMD.
I just opened
Oh, okay. What are you stressing about?
because I was just like,
Breathing heavy.
yeah, I know. It was a little bit high, but like,
Just gotta breathe.
Personally, now the only thing that I'm waiting for now is Nvidia if we come up to that 80 cent, 90 cent mark, or Baba. The Baba's pretty much out the picture at this point. So
All right. Whoa. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Nvidia is starting to get on my nerves. So I'm about to let go of this, sadly. If
You
this
can draw an
doesn't hold,
uptrend from the bottom, Nor. Mine's up with like 178.80. I think that like 60, 70 cent area would be a good stop.
yeah, I mean everything about
Agree
this
with you.
trade is literally perfect. It's just the problem is you got this funny market movement, and then Nvidia is, you know, not moving with the chip stocks here. Let's see where that's SMH pulled back.
I'm watching puts on QQQ. I sent the entry and stop loss. And target.
pretty much De Niro. Pretty much De Niro. This
Benji,
contract's hit a.
Hmm.
I'm about to sell.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna use 70 cents.
So annoying.
I'm down like 5% right now.
It's just the same useless bullshit as yesterday. Doing chart looks good, but
Yeah, I'm about to let go here, bro.
yep.
QQQ triggered.
QQ triggered.
Yeah. I sent them the stop and entry.
Kevin, we would have been
As
paid if we
usual.
got in at 179.
Yeah, bro. I just watched AMD. I didn't take that.
But you didn't take my trade?
No, I just watched it.
Got you. Okay.
I don't like trading AMD. I hate that shit.
I don't blame you.
Can't be worse than the video, bro.
But because it's had a lot of momentum behind it recently, Kevin, that's why I look at it. Because I'm
Yeah.
with you. I hate trading the stock too because it moves really slow. But when it actually has momentum and a lot of news surrounding it, that to me at least, it usually tends to be a good stock.
What's your target, Maki?
I sent it it's 569.50. I'll send it again.
Any lower than 60 cents, I think I'm gonna be good on this. That'll be like a 7% stop for me.
I just wanted to hit my stop at this point. I don't even care. I just
Well,
don't
it's
want
not
to.
that.
I'm not selling in the middle. Like, just bounces when the market is dropping. Like, so annoying, bro. I'm barely down. Contracts are still $1.92, and I got in at 2. So
You said you're using 44 as your stop, 178.44.
ooh,
You,
no,
or did you raise it?
no, I raised that shit. It's gonna be like 60, 64 cents around there, depending on what type of candle I get in that area.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I'm right here.
die cut there.
Yep. There we go. Yeah. Yesterday and today. I don't even have Tesla to get it all back today. Where's Tesla? 319.
How much you up right now, Jordan? The low's about to break.
About $300. Might sell a third here below 70 cents.
Nothing else going on?
Nah, bro, I'm
Pretty
looking.
much.
It's dead. It's like just absolutely dead right now. Like maybe you could. I mean, knowing you, you could probably cook something on Tesla, but I mean, I'm not a fan of Tesla on anything right now.
I don't like it. I wouldn't touch it in this area.
Yeah, I figured.
300 to 340 is just not the area to be touched.
Yeah, no, I agree.
And you have Nvidia trying 179 again. Wow, congratulations.
But yeah, I don't think you're missing anything besides maybe just AMD just now, but you were in a trade, so. Yo, Apple is making a foldable phone.
It's breaking out.
Nah, I just saw it on the Twitter news. It says Apple to launch foldable iPhone in 2026, creating 65 billion market. And that's it.
What'd you say?
And my target was like 20 cents away. But you gotta play games.
He said no. Frankie, if Nvidia ends up squeezing here from this consolidation, are you still planning on taking this to the upside, or you're calling it a day?
Yeah, I would still be interested on it. It just wouldn't be again till like that 80 to 90 cent mark for me.
So you'd skip the high?
Yeah.
pre-market?
Yeah, yeah, I would just skip it entirely. I would just wait. I was about to say that, Kyle. That that other retest on AMD wouldn't have been bad. 60 cent
What,
move on AMD. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I wasn't looking to trade it, Kyle. It's just me getting screen time, but yeah, that one would have been fire too. A lot of these bull flags would have been nice. Besides the one where it rejected at 179 the first time.
Tesla's still chilling below 320.
Yeah, this is the second day in a row. QQQ is 10 cents or 20 cents away from my target. That double bottom is nasty though. So normally I would expect when the low breaks at 569.80, whatever that H setup is, I would expect it to see target right away because it's only a 20-cent drop from there. But that just tells you how the market's been behaving, right? A bunch of we're flashing back and forth.
Has ATR been low?
Extremely low, yeah. Well, not just that, but also the VIX dropped below 15, so it's at 14 right now. And after the same day expiration contracts, like how trading became 24/7, the VIX changed by Kunal said this too. So our norm, like back when it used to be 14, the norm would typically be a lot higher.
Got it. Do I have a recovery play on Tesla? No. Market's still dropping. You're still in that trade, Maki?
No, I sold it at 570.40
Hmm.
and I got in at 570.10, so I had a 30-cent stop.
Got it.
Alright, so it's like 10:20 right now. I'm still waiting for this Nvidia setup, and my entry will be at 85 cents, but I don't think we'll get it today. It's chill. I took the scalp on AMD, but I went super light because I'm not gonna risk a lot on this trade. So I just went in super light just to test it out. Made like jack shit, but it's fine. I caught a $7 move on the contracts. I don't know what that is, like 10%. I don't know. But this was nice. I took it at 90 cents to be safer. And yeah, that was pretty much it. I'm still waiting for this door giveaway. He's about to call it out, so yeah, I'm just chilling right now, watching, and hopefully we get in a video. Tesla fell all the way to 320, so yeah, it's gonna be a bit hard to trade this tomorrow if we don't get a nice gap up.
AMD is still holding up.
But AMD, wow. Yeah, not much about,
Hmm?
but yeah, I'm gonna keep recording.
Where is it at?
No, guys, there's no retry for me. The setup is only the first time.
This looks good, huh? No,
Yeah,
I'm with you in it too as well. FYI.
I couldn't signal it.
No, I know. It's a little bit more
What?
risky here.
No. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm looking at the AMD 180. Market's falling, so gotta. I'm gonna put the alert at 63 cents, guys. That's where I'm looking to signal it. 180.63. Tesla rebounding. It's completely opposite of the market. It'll be the 180 calls that I'm looking at on AMD. Signal. They just get too cheap once you start going out the money, even though
You cut off, I think, or is it just me?
one sec. Let me just make sure I got this. Wait, yeah. Just a scalp though. I'll let you guys know. 180.63 is my alert, and target's 181. Mark trying to rebound here, so we'll see what happens. Frankie, you're done?
Yeah, I'm just watching now.
All right. Where's Nvidia? Still at 178. Tesla is coming down fast. Market's dropping pretty quickly here too. Might get in a little earlier, guys, than 63. Like, I might signal that earlier. I'll let you know. I gotta see the type of bounce we get. Market's dropping. All right, new alert for AMD is 40 cents. $180.40. Oh, red to green. 180.40 is the new entry. Kevin, you still here?
Yeah, I'm here still.
Looking
I'm
at
not
anything?
trading anything though. No.
George, you got the same zone on AMD?
I haven't. No, I don't have its own.
You
What is it?
charted it? I'll send it.
Send it. Alright, bet.
I'm about to get into AMD. About to signal it. I'm in. Oh, that just skipped over my 40-cent thing. Pardon me. That's annoying. Stop loss is 180. So about a 40-cent stop. And then I'm calling it a day because clearly NVIDIA, I'm just done with that. It's just a scalp, so basically I'm just looking for a high break, which is 77 cents. After 77, we should go straight into 181. If not, I'll just let it go there. It's gotta go now, though. What's that, Maki? That you sent? It's QQQ?
The first one is AMD zone. The second one is QQQ, obviously hitting my target.
What's the top of that zone on AMD?
It's far. That zone goes all the way up to 187.
So basically just started.
Yeah, it just started. But we never reject immediately as soon as we enter, so I don't know, we could push a decent amount. ones from here. I'll send it if you guys want to learn how to draw them. It's back in July 2024.
I'm gonna sell, depending on how we break the high, Nor. I might sell just a third and then wait for 181. Any hesitation, I'll cut the rest.
All right. There it goes. 7 more cents, 5 cents. Remember, it's just a touch. I gotta send an alert for the break. Here comes QQQ, bro. Like every trade. What's the high on those contracts just there? Did you see it or no?
No, I didn't see.
425.
40? That was
425.
425. All right.
Yeah.
Twin, did your algo draw an uptrend on the 1 minute?
No.
Like how it lines
Made
up
a
at
new high,
180.
new high, new high, new high. There it goes.
All right, I personally
that
sold a
180
third
stop
there,
is
Nor.
perfect.
All right. I'm about to just sell half here instead of a third. I'm waiting for the 181 break. Fingers on the sell button here.
You raising your trailing now or no? That we made a new high, or keeping it
Yeah.
the same?
The chat's up decent. I don't know how much though. I gotta check.
Yeah, if anybody, that's why I mentioned that I sold some. That way, take some profit here off, some risk off. It's a good trade already.
It's like 5% right there at the top. Man. These slow movers, bro. I need Tesla back in the game. My finger's on the sell button. I'm gonna sell half. You can sell all. Target's 181. So anything past that is in your hand there. 4 cents. 3 cents. 2. 1. It broke. What?
Sold another third there, Nor.
I just sold half.
Got a third left. Good stuff. All these contracts are moving, bro.
Yeah, they moved. That was 10%. New high, wow. Going for it. I'm trying to get rid of these, honestly. So when we make a new high, I'm gonna try to fill at 460 a contract. If not, I'm just gonna market sell. We got 10 cents here for new high. 9. Oh, there it goes. 5 cents. Contract at 455. 460 would make this trade worth it. There it goes. What are we doing, George?
I'm gonna sell another piece above 30. I got less than half. That's why I had 60 contracts. I'm in with the third.
All right, I got filled at 460, guys. I got the other piece ready. I sold 55. I had 110. So
Bet. All right. We going for 45 or what? Or just 40?
I'm just trying to, because if I can sell all this here, I'll be good today. I'm only down a little bit now. Getting ready here. As soon as we get this next pop, I'm out. I'm trying to get filled at I'm gonna try to get filled at 470 as soon as we make it high. Can you just tell me if it makes a new high? I think there's a latency for some reason. They're like 3 cents away, right? Right there.
I got you. Yeah. That was close to making a new high. It just made a new high. 40 cents, 43.
All right,
So
470. I put 470 there.
All right, bet.
It's supposed to get filled. It hasn't got filled yet. It's working order. There it goes.
There you go.
Yeah. All right. I made 10
Got
on that.
Nice. 2 cents. I'm looking for 2 cents more here personally.
Nice.
One more.
Nice. You played AMD a bunch of
Here we
times.
go. 1 cent on the ask.
Yeah, the George and
Right here, George. There it
There
goes.
we go. I'm out.
480. Damn. Nice. All right, that was a good trade. We waited for it. It did consolidate a little bit while we were in, but it was perfect. Huh? Yeah, I'm out. I got filled at 470 on that last one. It's 480. 485. Hmm? Who, me? I lost money on that video. It's 2 days in a row, so my rule is if I do that, I gotta not try this again. So it's not working out for me. I think AMD is too poppin' right now that no is flowing into NVIDIA. Nobody really cares right now, so just for the time being until it swaps.
Newsbot just hit AMD. Oh my god, these contracts are fucking dumb, bro. They're 7. I took the 185s, Nor. I didn't take the 180.
Really?
Yeah, I just already had them loaded. So whenever you signaled that, I sold at 235. These contracts are 280, bro.
They're gonna be 20% more expensive. Is that good news or?
It says it'll be worth it though.
It says that?
Yeah, CEO, but claims that it'll be worth the price hike.
Fuck it, it's worth it then. Oh my god.
I almost took that, but I didn't.
I just took it for a scope.
Yeah.
News is coming in like that. That's like Netflix hiring their subscription price, bro. Can't believe I traded AMD. I don't like touching those stocks.
I don't either, but I feel like it's just been treating us way better than Nvidia, bro.
Oh, yeah, that's anything is fucking Oracle is probably treating us better than Nvidia, and we're not even trading them.
That was a good scalp too, though. There.
Yeah, straight into 20 cents. Portal. Oh, yours. Arios, I think today was very slow. I'm not sure where you're at.
Adiós. Esta semana está un poco lenta, por lo mismo que hay muchas noticias. Compañías están reportando sus ganancias de la quarter. Ahorita ha sido un poco despacio. Y va a seguir siendo un poco despacio. Ya vemos cuando ya las compañías grandes como Meta y todas esas, Apple, reporten ganancias y todas las noticias que están saliendo del gobierno, de la economía, este miércoles y jueves, entonces a lo mejor ya tenemos un poquito más de movimiento y ya serían un poco más claras las cosas. Pero siempre hablamos de eso para que ustedes entiendan de que puede ser lento, no esperar mucho.
Yo, George, I would watch this. They're gonna try to squeeze this, I think, but the market's pulling back. If the market can hold up a little bit, I would try that new high.
Watching it, I'm only down $50.
Like 25 cents, 25-cent break into that. I think we get 50 immediately.
Hey Frankie, can you type on there that I just explained it over mic in Spanish?
Bro, I don't even think he's in here. I just clicked on his name. It says he's playing a game.
Yo.
It's like I don't even feel
yeah,
bad
I
now.
just went on a fucking rant and shit in Spanish and shit.
I don't even feel bad for the guy now. So.
Golly.
Bro's literally playing a game right now. So. Like Kevin just saw it.
Valorant kids be like, see chat, so try to help out and shit. You know what I mean? That's what I get.
We might get Tesla for the remainder. We'll see tomorrow.
Y'all want to see that kind of stuff? Y'all want like a little bit in Spanish? I know we've tried it in the past, but small, very quick breakdown to the point.
Can you do Japanese?
Yo,
That'll be you, dog.
That'd
that
be
will
fire.
be you.
We gotta start practicing before we go out there. He just joined Sunday. Yeah, Antonio, that's why I try not to do it. But if there's several people that speak Spanish, and I guess quick 5 minutes or less before after binging.
George, let's cook.
What's your
182.15.
Okay. He's playing RuneScape. That's what he was playing. Trash ass shit.
Nah. Yo, chill.
my bad. Sorry. He should be listening, bro. That's the only reason. My bad.
I set an alert. 182.15 is the number that I'll signal. I'll signal it to the chat. It's the 182.50 calls we're looking at on AMD. I'm done after this though. I have nothing else. I'm not gonna keep playing highs on AIM. Rather trade Nvidia at that point. Where's Nvidia? Still struggling. Guys, we're looking at 182.50 calls for AMD entries 182.50. We're far, well, not far, but we're not there yet. But if it does get there, that's what I'm looking at. It'd be a high, it'd be a play into the high into 182.50 most likely. Depending where the market's at, I gotta see. Market's still dropping.
Nvidia's going for low a day there.
Oh shit, Nvidia, yeah. Yo, look at QQQ.
Yeah, getting smoked, bro. ES just broke low a day as well. A couple minutes ago.
my entry for AMDs before 182 now. I'm just gonna keep lowering it. It's about 85 cents. Well, 90. I want to see what happens at 85 cents.
I was just telling my buddy that before once we get to above 80, we should be rolling now. I like that earlier entry.
Yeah, market's going back hard too.
Just wouldn't want this below 70 though.
Does it get easier?
Here at 180.70.
No.
Too much to travel.
It gets easier.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Yes,
Oh, I didn't look at that.
the more you know who you are,
Oh yeah, Nvidia is getting crushed.
the less you let
Where's AMD? We done, George?
Say it again?
I said we done.
Yeah, I think it's looking like it.
All right.
So I'm probably done. There's nothing that I did like the Momo on this. Coming back though later, probably not. I'm probably officially done for the day. Rest of the week tomorrow too. We got big earnings after market tomorrow, so I expect another slow day tomorrow, possibly. Keep that in mind for y'all. Don't expect too much. Size down if you need to. I'm not down much, which I'm happy with. I made a lot of that back on that AMD play. I'm only down $100. It's break even pretty much for me. That's it. Y'all take care. Don't overtrade. Don't try to sit there and force nothing. Just enjoy y'all's Tuesday. All right, Nor.
All right, peace. Maki, you like QQQ recovery or no?
Recovery.
Or you still like more downside?
So I'm only gonna look for the recovery if we get down below 568 and then bounce.
Oh, okay.
Like we still got plenty of room to 568, 567.50 mainly.
I was thinking about taking this 569.50 break. I kind of like it.
Well, you take scalps, right? So I mean,
Oh yeah,
it
yeah,
makes
yeah.
sense.